right? So application of trees, let us study applications of trees. Binary expression trees are the good way to express the arithmetic expression. So given an arithmetic expression, we should be able to express or represent that by using the trees, So expression tree is a binary tree in which each internal node is operator. Please concentrate. Expression tree is also a binary tree in which each internal node is an operator and each leaf node is an operand. Because when it is an expression, it is containing operators and the operand. So all the internal nodes are represented by the operators and all the operands are represented by the leaf nodes. The leaves are operands and other nodes are operators. That's it. The left and right subtrees of an operator node represent the sub-expressions that must be evaluated before applying the operator at the root of the subtree. That means the left and right subtrees for given any operator, the left subtree and right subtree, what they indicate? They indicate the sub-expressions. They must be evaluated before applying the operator at that node. Because first you have to evaluate the sub-expression and later you have to go for valuation. Later you have to go for valuation of that actual root node. First evaluate the subtrees and then go for evaluation of the root node. So this is what is an example expression. So when you look at this expression, we should know how to construct this. As the expression is smaller, it's very easy for us to construct. Like say here, which part will get evaluated first in this one? 5 plus 9 will get evaluated. Why? Because there is a inner bracket. We will solve the inner bracket first. So 5 plus 9 will get evaluated. So I will start it from somewhere here. So 5, 9. What is the operator? Plus. First evaluate 5 plus 9. Evaluate. Later we, because that is also present in the bracket, star 2. So give star, then write 2. Then this entire thing will become one operand. Which operand? Right operand. Then 3 is present at the left subtree. That means which is the operator now? Plus is the operator for this. This entire thing is present as a right subtree. Then 3 is the operand. So simple expression tree I have constructed given this expression. For the given expression 3 plus 5 plus 9 star 2, we have constructed the binary tree. We have constructed the expression tree. But these will indicate how they must be evaluated. That means if you want to apply the operator plus, first you should solve the left subtree and right subtree both. That means this is not any expression, this is only one operand, leave it as it is. Then when you come to star, if you want to apply star, first complete everything. That means first I should go for evaluation of this part. 5 plus 9 will get some result. What is that? 5 plus 9 will get result as 14. Then apply 14 into 2 because this is star. 14 into 2 is 28. Then apply plus. 28 plus 3 is how much? 31. So 31 is result of the entire expression. So 31 is result of the entire expression. And this is smaller expression. This we will come to know whenever the expressions are very small. But in case of large expressions, it's very difficult to construct like this. We cannot easily construct if the expression is very large like this. Say for example, this expression. If you consider such expression, we may find complications to construct the expression tree. So for that purpose, what we do, there is a procedure or algorithm for construction of the expression tree. There is a procedure or algorithm for the expression tree. What is that? Let T be the expression tree which we want to construct. Let T be the expression tree which we want to construct. If T is not null, that means if there are nodes in the tree, then if T dot value is an operand, then return T as the value. That means what we do, first we solve the left subtree. That means if it is an operand, simply return the value. Then first solve the left subtree, then solve the right subtree, as I said while explaining this. If you want to apply plus, first solve the entire left subtree, then solve the entire right subtree, then apply the operator. That is, apply the operator A, T dot value on A and B. That is, this whatever operator is there, apply on what? Left subtree and right subtree. because after solving this left and right, you will get some value for A. You will get some value for A. For example, if you treat this, one second. For example, if you treat this entire thing as A, and if you treat the result of this entire thing as B, we are left with two values, A and B. A is 3, B is 28. So here in this case, A is 3 and B is 28. So apply that. A is 3 and B is 28. What is the operator that we are left? Operator is plus. That is, we are going to apply. That we are going to apply. So this is a simple procedure for applying, but the things will be more clear whenever we learn the concern of the expression tree, because given the expression, you will be given with mathematical expression, you should be able to write the expression tree for that, construct the tree. But by looking at the smaller trees, it is very easy. But when the expression is very large, actually in that case, we should follow the procedure. So this is simple algorithm or simple steps. The same algorithm is written in terms of words now for better understanding, for construction of the expression trees. We'll see this construction of the expression tree in the next class, because that needs time, at least half an hour continuously I should have time, but now we don't have that much time. Again, the explanation may get stopped in between due to time restrictions. So what I am thinking is, I'll solve this in the next class. Okay.